Hi. Okay. What you were seeing was the boot process and logging into Alpine Linux. And the different thing here, if we can say, is the installation was on a USB flash drive. So this is portable Alpine Linux. It's permanent, but it's portable, which means that you will have a whole system that you can take with you wherever you want, and any changes you do or any applications you install will always be there for you. For example, I ran this command and I ran it before recording this video, and it's still there because it's permanent. The thing that makes me recommending you to do the same, which is having or choosing Alpine Linux as a portable system, or why not maybe the system that you are using on your computer if you want, is how lightweight it is. Alpine Linux is very lightweight, as I'm gonna show you. Takes only 70 megabytes from the RAM. This is for the RAM usage. For the installation, it took 447, roughly 447 megabytes from almost 52 gigabytes on this flash drive. You can see how lightweight it is. I installed some packages on it, which resulted having about 101 packages installed on the system as a result in total. All of this proves that it's very lightweight. It runs the LTS kernel 6.6 here. It doesn't use sudo, doesn't exist. It uses do as instead. It got rid also of the GNU core utils. It's trying to make sure it's only Linux, no place for GNU on this distribution. So if we look for the core utils, we won't find them. If we look for BusyBox, which is the alternative here, you will find it, as you can see. So all the commands that not all, since BusyBox doesn't replace all the commands, most of the commands of core utils you can find them on BusyBox. You can see again for the RAM, for the installation, how much it took, the size, packages, and so on. I was going to make the full demonstration of installing Alpine Linux on a USB flash drive. However, I wasn't able to do it, and you don't need to worry much about it since it's very similar to the installation on a hard drive, internal hard drive, except the letters of the installation destination will be different. Instead of /dev/sda becomes /dev/sdb or /dev/sdc, except that everything is the same. So if you want a full simulation of the installation, the demonstration, I can do it again on a virtual machine and it's gonna be exactly the same. The shell itself also is different. It's not the usual bash, and so many packages were dropped and not installed by default, or sometimes not available. For NeoFetch, I installed it after enabling the community repository by going to this file here /etc/apk/repositories and uncommenting the second line here, and I'm able now to install all the packages from the community repository, since not all the packages that I needed are available on the main repository. The good side, or the good thing about having a portable system, is being able to plug it in anywhere you want and using it, and this may not be possible with Windows, since once Windows feels that the computer it's used on is different, you will need to input a new license key, if I'm not mistaken. For Linux it's easy, it's simple, no need for such things. Sometimes also the drivers are a matter. You need to have the drivers for the other systems, in particular Windows. For Linux, the drivers are installed sometimes in the kernel, sometimes in external packages like Linux firmware. So it's not a matter if you wanted to have a portable installation. One of the cons of Alpine, if we can say, is it's not compatible with 32 bits applications. Here I have a 64 bits for x86 64 bits version. If you look online, you will find that Alpine is not compatible with the 32 bits, unluckily, and it doesn't use glibc, it uses muscle instead. I'm not saying this is a con, I'm back to talk about the specifications and some of the technical details of this distribution. Anyway, I hope this is a good suggestion from me if you wanted to have a portable Linux installation. I installed also GPM, you can see it here. I'm using my mouse like this and it's on the screen. I didn't install the graphical user interface since I may not need it, and yeah, it's as you can see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and peace.